Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Angelica Galindez, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how I deep clean my makeup brushes. These are all of my dirty makeup brushes. It's a lot. It's a lot of makeup brushes. Like, you can totally see, like, we got some hot pink, we got some orange. Ooh, these ones are good ones too. See, lots of pink, lots of purple, lots of orange, because I think I just did like a pink, no, it's like a purple and orange eyeshadow look. So all of these are like pink and purple and orange, and it's just a mess. And like my foundation brushes are completely like, ooh, it's so gross. I really need to clean them. But I have a few foundation brushes. I don't just use one and then keep using it. I'll use another one. So before I show you guys how I deep clean my brushes, I just wanted to show you guys how I clean my brushes in between my deep cleans. And this is what I use. It's the Cinema Secrets Pro Makeup Brush Cleaner. It is 99.99% bacteria free. You're basically just going to take this and put it in a stainless steel cup like this. You're going to pour this in there, and then you're only going to cover your bristles about a quarter. You're only going to submerge the bristles of your brush a quarter way through. That was a lot to say. That way you're not submerging it completely, and it will pull all the makeup and the grease off of it. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take the clean brush, pretend this is clean, and you're going to wipe it down on a towel or a mat or a clean towel, just whatever you have, and that's how you clean it in between. So if I need this specific brush, then I will clean it with this, let it dry before I use it. Moving on, I like to deep clean my brushes with Dawn dish soap. I know what you're thinking, but this has been my favorite go-to. I've seen a lot of makeup artists use this. Actually, a lot of my colleagues use Dawn soap as well to clean their brushes. This really will deep clean your brushes. It doesn't strip the hairs off your makeup brushes. It doesn't leave a residue. I personally, and on the clients I've worked on, none of us have had any skin reactions. So if you're questioning it, I would just get a small bottle. Or if you have it at home, just use a little bit and you can test it out yourself. But I personally have not had any reactions to it. I used to just wash my personal brushes with my hand in soap like this, but that's not very efficient, right? So then I upgraded to this little silicone heat pad, and I used that to clean my brushes because it had kind of like a texture to it and it actually got in between the bristles. But I have upgraded. This is the 2x Sigma Spa brush cleaning glove. Look at this. Isn't this thing cool? So you can put your thumb on either side, but I think it's so dope. Like, what? I don't know, I just love it. So it has all these different textures. Like this one says wash, rinse, refine. Does this also say refine? Refine, refine plus. Yeah, I don't know, I found it really cool. But anyway, instead of you just using your hand, you can use this. And it has all these little grooves and this texture. So the texture of the glove helps break down any of that makeup between the bristles, and especially like the foundation and the creams that are stuck in between the bristles as well. Not only did I get this glove, okay, but I also got this. You guys, this has such a long name, so I'm just going to read it off for you guys. So if I'm looking down, it's because I'm reading it to you guys because it's too long and I can't remember it. The Sigma Spa Express Brush Cleaning Mat. So it looks like this. It's kind of like the glove, but in a matte form. You see? And it has these little suction cups, so that way when you put it into the sink, it will stay still. It won't like wiggle waggle everywhere. But it comes with these instructions. You basically position the mat, and then you secure it with the little suction cups. And then you wet it, and you apply your soap, and you just start cleaning it, blah, 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 blah. I love it. And on this one, it has like certain sections for different things. So this one says wash eyes, so I'm assuming that is for eyeshadow brushes. And then this one says refine plus eyes, which, let's see what that one means. That is for a deeper clean. Ooh. And then you have a face one. This one is wash face. So that must be for your face brushes, like the kabuki brushes. Okay, so one side is for eyes, and it's just like basic cleaning, and then you can refine it more and get a deeper clean. And then you have like a rinsing portion, and the same thing with the face side. If you hear a little bark, that is my dog in the background. So it looks like one side is for eyeshadow brushes and the other side is for face brushes, and then you can do like a regular clean, a deeper clean, and a rinse off. Pretty cool. Anyway, I'm really excited for this. I get excited about cleaning. So I'm gonna take you along with me as I clean my brushes. Okay guys, I've got my brushes over here on the side. I've got this ready to go, my soap over there. I'm just gonna put some towels here before I start. Alright, I forgot to tell you guys that this has like a little mitt inside, so then your hand won't move around when you're trying to use it and it stays dry inside. So that's pretty cool. So I'm gonna put this at the bottom of the sink. Press it down so it stays. And get a little wet. And then put some soap. So you don't want to put too much pressure because you don't want to ruin the bristles of your brush. I just do it gently in circular motions. And then what I like to do is go from side to side. I also deep cleaned my sink before doing this. That way everything is nice and clean. And then just rinse it. So you want to gently squeeze. Move any of that excess soap out and then squeeze the water out. And then you just want to place it down just like that. Okay, so for my sponges, first thing, get it wet. And then I like to apply it a little bit. Oops, a little bit too much, but I like to rub the soap all over the sponge. And then just rub it, like massage it. And then I like to start squishing it. Start squeezing it. I usually wash my beauty blender like after each use, so it's not that dirty. Stay pretty clean. If you wash yours in between each use, then they stay pretty clean and hygienic. Now they are all nice and clean. Look how shiny, look how pretty. Yes, so clean. This is so satisfying. You don't want to dry your brushes straight up like this because you can actually get water in the ferrule right here. It can cause mildew, it can break the handle, and also you can break the glue inside here that's holding all the hairs together. So You just don't want to risk it, so I went ahead and dried all the handles down and then laid them flat so that way they can dry overnight. So just wanted to make sure you guys knew that. Alright, there you have it. My brushes are now deep cleaned and drying. Cannot wait for them to be dry because I'm ready to do some really fun makeup looks. But I hope everyone enjoyed this cute little video. If you haven't already, please give this video a thumbs up. Comment below what your favorite brushes are. Comment below what you use to clean your makeup brushes. And then, yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. And don't forget to subscribe.